Hello, I am Dr. Tandrust. Today, let's talk about one of the simplest yet most powerful things you can do for your health: walking 10,000 steps a day. It sounds like a lot, but it's roughly 5 miles or 8 kilometers. Something most people can achieve with small daily changes. What exactly happens to your body when you commit to this? Let's break it down step by step. A sedentary lifestyle leads to weak muscles and poor circulation. An active lifestyle builds strong muscles and improves energy. First, your heart becomes stronger. Regular walking improves cardiovascular fitness and lowers blood pressure naturally. It significantly reduces your risk of heart disease, stroke, and heart failure. Your lungs also work more efficiently, delivering oxygen better to every cell. Let's see how this works. Oxygen flows from your lungs into your bloodstream, fueling your body. For weight management, 10,000 steps can burn 300 to 500 calories daily depending on your pace. See the counter? That's the daily burn. And here's the transformation. Start walking today. Over time, this helps reduce body fat, especially stubborn belly fat. Watch the waist shrink and the progress scale move. Consistent effort brings steady results.
Your muscles and bones get stronger. Walking is excellent weight-bearing exercise. This builds stronger leg muscles and increases bone density. This becomes very important as we age to prevent osteoporosis and falls.
Blood sugar levels become more stable, lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. This is how insulin helps regulate glucose. Even your immune system gets a boost from daily movement and fresh air. White blood cells activate to protect you. So take a walk outside and feel the difference. Now for your brain, walking releases endorphins, your natural happiness chemicals. See the brain light up? That's dopamine and serotonin at work. So get moving and feel that natural high.
Long term, it can reduce dementia risk and keep your mind sharp. This brain shield protects against cognitive decline. And these icons show how memory and focus are enhanced.
Cancer risk also decreases with higher daily steps. See? The cancer cells are fading away. So, walk more. It's a simple way to stay healthy. Overall, your risk of early death can drop by almost 47% compared to inactive people. You will also enjoy better sleep, lower inflammation, and improved blood circulation.
Joints become more flexible and your posture improves. Watch how the spine bends smoothly and see the joints flex and extend. This improves your overall posture.
Even your digestion works better with regular walking. As you walk, your muscles help move food through your system. So keep walking for a happy gut. So how do you reach 10,000 steps? Start by tracking with your phone or a pedometer. This app shows your progress. See, you're already at 2,500 steps. Keep moving to hit your goal.
Break it into parts: morning walk, lunch stroll, and evening steps. This timeline shows how to fit walking into your day. Simple steps for a healthier lifestyle.
Park further, take stairs, walk while on calls, or do walking meetings.
Yes, let's discuss the proposal.
I agree, let's outline the next steps.
Walk at a brisk pace, fast enough to raise your heart rate but you can still talk. See how the heart rate rises on the monitor? Aim for this zone. This keeps you fit and safe. If 10,000 feels difficult, start with 7,000 steps and gradually increase.
Try to walk outdoors when possible. Nature gives extra mental benefits. Wear comfortable shoes, stay hydrated, and always listen to your body. Track your progress and celebrate every small win. This chart shows your daily progress. Every step forward is worth celebrating. Keep going and enjoy the journey. Combine walking with good eating habits for even faster results. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. Every step counts. Every step counts.
In a few months, you will feel more energetic, happier.
Start today. Your body will thank you. I am Dr. Tandrust. Stay fit, stay Tandrust.